Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the merger of Aurora and Aphria. So this Betting Bruiser, usually when he posts something, it's usually very true. So I think the shareholders of Aphria and Aurora still want the two companies to merge. Management might be on the sidelines, but I think the shareholders, I'm not talking about the small shareholders, I'm talking about the big money, the people who owns probably like hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Aurora and Aphria stock. Those are the shareholders that want the merger between Aurora and Aphria to happen. That's what I think so. That's why there's still discussions going on between Aphria and Aurora. But again, this is pure speculation, and I'm making this video as of July 27th, 2020. This will be a weekend video. This will be launched on Saturday. So yeah. Anyways, I would appreciate a thumbs up for this video if you enjoyed it. If you don't enjoy it, you can always give me a thumbs down. Anyway, so Aphria stock right now is, this is before the earnings report. The report is on the 29th. As I'm making this video, the stock is up 31 cents after hours, had a big day today. So in total, it ran literally 20% in 2 days. That is a significant run to the upside. That is amazing. We'll see if this will continue. My guess is after earnings report, I'm thinking the stock price is going to collapse simply because it's already oversold. I could totally be wrong on this. And as I'm making this video, this stock could be sitting at $9 to $10 per share. If Aphria does well, I think that will boost Aurora stock. If Aphria does bad, I think that was going to boost Aurora stock. I think Aurora stock is going up no matter what. And I think right now is actually an opportunity to buy Aurora stock. But this is my prediction from the past to the future. So I don't know if this will happen for sure. That's why I'm pre-making this video on July 7, 27. So I do think Aurora is a buying opportunity right now. Again, this is my opinion. This is not, and this is like a prediction of the future. So I don't know if I'm right or wrong. But when you guys watch this video on Saturday, you guys will know for sure if I'm right or wrong. I really think that these prices are a buying opportunity for Aurora stock. But anyways, right now, Aphria does have a $300 million market cap higher than Aurora. That means that big money is flowing from Aurora over to Aphria right now. Why? I don't know. Maybe they're speculating that Aphria will have fantastic earnings and the stock price will shoot up. I don't know at the end of the day why they are pumping Aphria stock, but if earnings disappoint, the stock price will plummet back, and I think Aurora will skyrocket because I think the money will be transferred over to Aurora, because then people will speculate that Aurora's earnings are going to be pretty decent. Yeah, but anyways, this is kind of going off subject. This is just kind of a future prediction subject, but the reason why I think Aphria and Aurora the shareholders want Aphria and Aurora to merge is because the two companies will make a significant amount of profit, so they can self-operate without diluting shareholders further, and the combined company will have a decent amount of cash, decent amount of cash. On top of that, they have a lot of production, and both of them will be a very dominant player in Europe, because that would basically eliminate all competition in Europe, which, is a really good thing. And both offer a lot of branding opportunities. The merger makes a lot of sense because both of them are very low cost producers and pretty high quality, in my opinion, because Aphria has Broken Coast, which is super high quality, and Aurora has Whistler, which is also super high quality. The two companies will also be combining information together to help boost up the Rivia, the CBD company in the US. They will, both companies will help increase that business like better, maybe. I don't know at the end of the day, but there's a lot of synergies between Aphria and Aurora, in my opinion, and the two companies will make a significant amount of profit where they're self-sustaining, and where shareholders will be happy with the amount of money the two companies are bringing in together, and that's the reason why I think they want to merge it. But comment down below, tell me what you think. I remember Canamed. The management of Canamed didn't want a merger with Aurora, but the shareholders of Canamed, 35% of them, wanted Canamed to merge with Aurora, and I think that's the same scenario that's going on with Aphria and Aurora right now. The two shareholders want the two companies to merge together to become a bigger company and a profitable, sustained company. That's what I think is happening right now in Aurora and Aphria. They're just trying to survive. I think Aurora just wants to make sure that they will be around in the future, and the best way to do that is to continue to merge with other companies to build a dominant MJ company for the future. Because right now they are probably scared of Canopy, because Canopy has a lot of cash. Kira, because Kira, it will continue to grow their revenues, their profits, and Aphria and Aurora just wants to make sure that they will continue to be a dominant player. Because if we look 5 to 10 years down the future, there's not gonna be like 100 MJ companies. There's gonna be like 5 MJ companies at best. And some of the surviving players will definitely be Canopy, will definitely be Kira, will definitely be Cresco Labs. Well, I don't know about Cresco Labs, but definitely Kira, and definitely True Eve, because True Eve is an extremely profitable MJ company. GTI is also a big giant too. And Aurora and Aphria, they just want to survive. They just want to make sure that they will be continue dominating, continue to be a big, just to survive, to be around, to survive all the competition. There's going to be a lot of competition in the future, and they want to survive. That's why they are considering merging together, in my opinion. So we'll see what happens. But I'm, if I had to vote, I'm not a shareholder of both, but if I had to vote, I would like to see the merger happen. But I still want to see Aurora be the trading ticket. Why? Because Aurora has a good name brand for themselves, like the Aurora name brand. I think that's a good name brand. Maybe it's a little tarnished right now because of the execution of management, but they still built a pretty good brand for themselves. But if they were to merge with Aphria, the reverse split on Aurora's stock would completely disappear, and investors can be like, oh, Aurora reverse split, garbage company. But if they merge with Aphria, the reverse split is basically gone, right? In my opinion. So, we'll see what happens. But yeah, definitely the reverse split will be completely gone. Aphria will definitely be way more diluted unless big money decides to pump up Aphria stock to like $12, and the merger between Aurora and Aphria becomes 1-to-1. I don't know what big money is gonna do, but if they want to pump Aphria stock, they will pump Aphria stock, and it will go up. So we'll see what happens. But earnings are coming around the corner. If Aphria does poorly, I think it's gonna plummet. But it could do really good. We'll see what happens. Anyways, this is just my 2 cents on Aphria and Aurora. Hope you enjoyed the video. Oh wow, I almost made it 10 minutes. Yeah, 1.5 billion. The merger will give Aphria roughly, I think in my opinion, will be roughly 450 million shares. Is that a lot? I don't know. It's up to you to think if it's a lot. But at the end of the day, honestly, it doesn't matter how many shares there are, because if we look at companies like Neo, they have 1 billion shares, yet their stock price is still being pumped up to the upside, right? So 400 million shares is not that much shares in my opinion. So You know, I guess I wouldn't mind Aphria, but I would prefer Aurora being the ticker trading symbol. But maybe some shareholders don't agree with me and they think Aphria should be the trading symbol. So who knows at the end of the day what's going to happen. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.